You know that moment when you step into your backyard and think, this place really needs help. Yep, that was me a few weeks ago. We had weeds everywhere, overgrown plants, and tight grass. So I decided it was time for a total backyard refresh. In my previous video, I shared how I did the same thing for my front yard. So watch this video, then go check that one. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Français. I share everyday moments of home, family, and settling into life in Canada. Today's video is all about giving our backyard a fresh new start. Let's get right into it. Okay, I started by removing all the weeds around the fence, the flower bed, and along the edges. There were weeds everywhere around the flowers, next to the fence, and even under the deck. You know how it is, right? Once weeds start growing, they take over so quickly. Next, I reshaped the edges a bit to give the garden a cleaner look. I like to dig a small trench between the flower bed and the grass. It helps separate the two and makes mowing even easier later on. Up next, I moved to the back of the garden, right next to the deck. That area had been completely forgotten for a while, and we had weeds growing through the cracks and corners. It's not done yet, but look, already so much better. We had weeds all around the garden. And under the deck, but little by little, it's starting to look clean again. Of course, I wasn't alone. My son was helping by cutting the grass. That's not my thing. It's such a big help. The lawn definitely needed some love too, and it makes a huge difference once the grass is trimmed. Next, I started working on the plant. Just like the front yard, our oysters here in the backyard had become way too big. So I had to take away some of the leaves and move them around to create more space. I also took a few flowers from the front yard and replanted them in the back. This helps to balance the colors and give each plant some breathing room. And my little helper, my good girl, was busy watering the flowers. She loves helping mommy in the garden. And I think it's such a beautiful way to spend meaningful time together outdoors. And did you know not everything here is just flowers? Yep, you heard me right. We also have some vegetables here and some fruit, like some raspberries. They add such a nice touch and make the garden feel alive in every season. Then came my favorite part, adding the mulch. Mulch makes such a big difference. It keeps the soil moist, stops new weeds from growing, and gives everything that clean, finished look. I started with one side, spread it evenly, and then moved on to the other. If maintenance is on your mind, mulch is not negotiable. And once the mulch was done, I gave the edges a final touch to make sure everything looked neat and defined. And look at this, so clean, fresh, and full of life. We even have flowers blooming already, and the space just feels peaceful again. I'm so happy with how it turned out, even though there's still more to do. Thank you so much for watching this backyard refresh with me. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out my channel for more videos about relocation and settling here in Canada. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss what's coming next. See you in my next video. Until then, bye for now.